40 SRT gal back in the place with another goddamn video, man. Yeah, I'm back. I'm wearing the jumpsuit today, so you know something's about to go down when I'm wearing the jumpsuit, man. Gotta represent the Mopar, no Pog, no car family, man. Yeah. On our way to oh shit, cops are heavy out here. Out to get a caffeine and octane show. It's a little pull-up and meet thing that I've never done before. Something that I've been asked to go to for a couple weeks now. I just haven't been able to. So today we're gonna swing by there, check it out. Supposedly there's some badass cars, so I'm super excited about that. Make sure you guys stay tuned, see what kind of cars there is, and enjoy the video. I truly appreciate all the subscribers, all the love that y'all been showing me. I truly appreciate that. Make sure you rub down there, grab that subscribe sign, hit that son bitch, hit the bell, make it go ding. Why? Because we like to bling. We like to sing, bling, ding, dong. Right?
Ding,
all right.
dong.
Ding, dong, ding, dong. Make that son bitch go ding, dong. We're on our way right now, so let's go get this in. Let's go check out these cars. Let's go check it out, see what kind of cars are here. Let's go. Get it. What's wrong?
That was fast.
That was fast?
Yeah.
But did it make sense?
Yeah.
It made sense and it was fast?
Yes.
Damn, I should be on American Idol. Let's come up with my own music type, you know?
Oh my gosh, let's not go that far.
Yeah. I'm gonna come up with my own music, guys, so make sure you guys check it out, man. I'm gonna hit some verses up in here. Yeah, let's go. Little Lotus here, boys and girls, man. These are some badass cars, but super small, little carbon fiber on there. Getting that carbon fiber sprint, you know. Super cool ass car, but trying to get my fat ass in one of these is not happening. I like he's got the vented, the vents there. I like that. Super cool, man. Tiny though. Got the wingspan. Even got the hard top on the door. That's cool. Super cool car.
No. I can't tell.
This ain't no kid car, ladies and gentlemen. This is the real deal right here, man.
Oh, it might be.
Is the interior?
It's not a kid. It's a 700,000.
Plain Jane.
It's a kid.
And it moves.
I can't tell.
It's super cool, man. All right, here's a little one for the Chevy boys, man.
Look at how deep these seats are.
Carbon fiber hood scoop, crazy. Nice car, man. Skirt on the side. Man, that's crazy. Sharp car though. Super sharp. Alright guys, look at this Porsche though, guys. Look at the brakes. That is all one brake, man. That's a hybrid. You know what I mean? That's crazy though. I'm not a fan of the new body style though, I'm not gonna lie. If you ask me, it looks like the old Audi. I mean, it looks like a Lamborghini from the back on the SUV type, but man, I'm just not a fan of the new style though. Looks dope though, brand new. Shit. You got the little brake pads in the back. Ooh-wee. Alright guys, these are becoming, I would say, one of the most popular cars in Minnesota. The brand new Vet. Super cool, I like it, but I just don't know, man. I don't know if I'd buy one of these though, guys. My fat ass trying to fit in these is not cool. I like it though. They're cool looking, but got the motor in there, man. Check that shit out real quick. Hope it's tight. Alright guys, check this shit out, man. This is a badass setup here, man. You want to get some badass rollers right here. Golden Peaks Production. Look them up for sure. Man, that's a crazy setup right there though. That's something we need to get on the SRT God channel, man. We're gonna have to do something like this. This is nuts. It's got it hooked up on the top. Golden Peak Productions, man. Check them out. Hit them up. That's sick. Look at this. Man, there's no joking with this, man. All you Beamer fans, Optimum, what's up, man? This one's for you right here. This one is for you. 3 Series. Man, this cat's got it all going on this one, bro. You gotta hit that one up. Alright guys, here's a Porsche. Remember they got that 10 karat gold symbol, man. That's what you're paying for. Shout out to Crown Rally. These guys got a hell of a squad, man. These guys they got one hell of a group. Hood's not open, but you can tell it's a Crown Rally car, so you know it's souped up. It's got some shit done to it. I like the fin on this though. This is dope. It's actually engraved, dude. Super cool. Got the system in the back, the turbos. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the new Ford Raptor. Right here. This is the newest Ford Raptor right here on the market. This is a beast. This thing is badass though, guys. In the real though, this thing is super cool. Super cool. Such a clean truck. That's so cool. GTR. That's a cool color. I like that color. It's like a dark maroon. Like a Coca-Cola Dr. Pepper type. Yeah. Yeah, man, I like this. This is cool. You know, he racing it. It's got the carbon fiber top. These pipes are something else. These are crazy. All carbon fiber. Yeah, man. Carbon fiber trunk type, you know. Man, these guys are, I'm actually impressed with these cars in Minnesota, man. I don't know where the fuck they come from, but yeah, carbon fiber all the way where he could, that's for sure. It's cool looking car though, GTR. I love this hood. This hood looks just mean. The front end just looks mean though. He'd probably take my soul for sure. Look at this, man. You got it airbagged out. Lambo doors. Motor all done. Motor is done on a Ford, man. This is a Ford, bro. I don't know, man. He's definitely tough on something. All the turbochargers in there, man. Super cool. Little sound system in here. Hell yeah. All custom. All custom right here, man. This is cool. Super neat. Look at this badass car, man. Matte with the gold. Don't get it fucked up. It's got the red eye on that champ. SRT Dre, man. sure y'all check him out. Hood looking mean. Mean tight. Shiny gold, man. It's hot. This RT Dre, man. Make sure you check his ass out. Alright guys, so we got a cop behind us leaving the show. See if he pulled us over or not. I don't know. He's reading the plates like a mother. We'll figure it out, but see what he says. If he pulls us over, check it out. I don't know what he would be pulling us over for doing 60 and a 55 or something. We're about to find out.
It's 55.
He wasn't radaring though, so I don't understand how he would have known how fast I was going. But
Well, you have the insurance card in here, right?
yeah.
Okay, well that's good. At least that. If you don't have your driver's license, you can get a ticket for that, but you should probably get your driver's license.
And I don't have my wallet, so that's even the funniest part. But it is what it is, man. If you pull this over, but I don't think he's going to actually. He's flying by us here, so he's on top of us right now. He's radaring. He ain't pulling us over, baby boy. Man, we got lucky on that one. But I really wasn't doing anything wrong, so I don't understand why.
But he's looking to see where you live too, and if he sees
Why
that
he
you
would
live in
pull
like
us over,
Maple
you
Grove.
know. He's mad. He's mad. That was a close call there, guys. But we didn't get pulled over, so I'm happy about that.